Now we'll see Vardhana dynasty. The court poet of Harshvardhana and the author of Harshcharitra was Banbhat. The war between Harshvardhan and Pulekesin was fought on the Battle of Narmada. In the Battle of Narmada, King Pulekesin II of Chaluk dynasty defeated Harshvardhana. The period of rule of Harsha king was from 606 to 647. Harshcharitra was written by Banbhat in Sanskrit. Wen Sang, a Chinese traveller, visited India during reign of Harshvardhana. The period of Harshvardhana's reign was from 607. Ratnavali Priyadasika Nagananda were written by Harshvardhana. Banbhat wrote the Harshcharitra in biography of Harshvardhana. The Chinese Buddhist pilgrims Zhuan Zhang come to India in court of Harshvardhana, who defeated Harshvardhana when he invaded the Chalukyan kingdom. Pulkesin II. King Sasank was ruler of Gauda. Pushyamiti was founder of Vardhana dynasty. King Harshvardhan ascended the throne of Thaneswar and Kannauj. King Harshvardhana belonged to Pushyamiti dynasty. Chinese traveller who came and stayed in Nalanda both as a student and teacher is Wen Sang. The Chinese Buddhist monk famous for his 17-year-long trip to India between 627 to 643 AD was Wen Sang. Harshvardhana was king of Vardhan dynasty. Wen Sang visited India during the reign of Harsha. Kannauj assembly was held to publicize the doctrine of Mahayana sect during Harsha. After Harshvardhana's death, Arun Vansika usurped power in Kanyakubja. During ancient time in India, diary records of traveller to Middle Earth were written by Zhuan Zhang. Hyun Sang. According to Pharaoh traveller Hyun Sang, Dursena that attended Harsha assembly at Prayag. Zhuan Zhang spent a lot time in court of Harshvardhana. Ravi Kriti composed Prasasti of Chalukya ruler in Pukesin II.